This week, we have a question from a 16-year-old girl. She is a vegetarian, but she wants to become a vegan, but her mom said no. What do you do? There are quite a few answers to this question already, because obviously, being a 16-year-old, your mom is still responsible and liable by law to taking care of you. And you are still young, so chill. Don't worry about it. You still have plenty of time to decide how you're going to do it and when you're going to do it. What I suggest is, okay, you are a vegetarian and your mom knows your intention to become a vegan later on. So you're 16. When you become an adult, at your 18, you have 2 years time to gradually introduce the veganism into your lifestyle and involving your mum and to understand the vegan lifestyle. So you can start by little steps. First, you can reduce the consumption of the animal products and animal byproducts. You can ditch your leather bags now and replace your leather shoes with non-leather material. You can replace your cow's milk with plant-based milk. Or you can replace honey with maple syrup. Little by little, that is not hard to do, right? And the good news is, in 2 years, you are your own boss. You are in control of what you want to do. And you will be really probably on your way to become a vegan. So, I hope that helped you out. If anyone asks you this question. If you're a vegetarian, congratulations. If you want to become a vegan, I take my hats off you. So, this is not a very difficult thing to do, and there's not much difference between vegetarian and vegan. So slowly but surely, you will get there. So until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missey Grace.